Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel at Pics. I am Payal.
In today's video, I'm going to share with you Lord Shiva painting. I use traditional Madhubani style. Here I use A5 size handmade paper for acrylic painting. You can use this type of paper or any kind of paper which is suitable for acrylic painting. This is the rough drawing. So without further delay, let's get started to paint it. First I'm going to border it with black waterproof gel pen. Then I'm going to color it. If you like my paintings, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to be a part of my little art family. Please keep watching until the end, and thank you in advance.
Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post the final outcome of all my drawings. Please go check it out. I put that link in my description box and mention on my screen. If you like my drawing, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do comment below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.